It's no secret, if you want to find good deals in real estate, you got to buy off-market properties. In this video, we're not only going to show you where to find those off-market properties, but how to contact those off-market individuals and how to put more money into your pocket. Let's dive into it.
Welcome to the Smack Fest, the beat down. The SWAT team is here on another beautiful day of shutting the week down.
And if we're just meeting, my name is William Dauria. I'm a professional real estate investor. I have a portfolio of single family, multifamily, and commercial units. I live off of passive income, and I want to show you how to do the same. So without further ado, we're diving into what it takes to send out a mail-your campaign. Now, this means you are going to pull the source of whatever, it's gonna be a foreclosure list or whatever. You're gonna pull that, and then what do? We're gonna dive into this, and then we're gonna show you where to find the list. Here we go. So the first thing you're gonna need is this. You are gonna need envelopes. These are security sealed, and they also have the peel to stick, so you don't have to lick 1,000 envelopes in a day, because that would be awful. Not that we're sending 1,000 a day, but see the link in the description below. This will give you the link to these exactly. They're sturdy, they're thicker, they're not flimsy, they're good, and they're cheap. This is the envelopes. Moving on. Next thing is going to be stamps. You're going to need quite a bit of stamps because the minimum you can buy, or spend I should say, is $50, and that comes out to approximately 238 leads. Each one of these are about $55. They are forever stamps. They are a box of 100, or a roll of 100 I should say, so you will need to buy 3 of them. See the link below for stamps on Amazon. Moving on. Okay, so the next thing that I do, but that you don't have to do, but is smart because it'll help you stand out from your competition, is some business cards. And it's gonna look something like this. It's gonna say, we buy houses, we buy at a discount, but when we buy them, we buy as is. No cleaning or repairs necessary. You get cash and avoid selling commissions to pay, no hidden costs. We close on your time, free evaluation, call today. Don't forget to put your phone number. You'd be surprised on how many people will send out a business card and not have any information. Of course, it's your first-time doers, but don't do that. It's a big waste of money. So call, text, or email my information with my cell and my email. So these you don't have to do. However, I highly recommend them. See the link below to get your custom business cards. Moving on. Okay, so when they get the letter, they're going to open it up, and then what are they going to see? They're going to see what you wrote them, but what should you write them? I'm going to show you a quick example of what I put in mine. Feel free to copy it, guys. This was off a whim. It works. It's simple. It looks like it was handwritten, and it helps stand out from the crowd. Here it is. It's going to look like this. Hi, my name is William, and I would like to purchase your house for cash. And I circle it with a highlighter. No repairs needed. Close when you're ready. No hidden costs. Call or text. And my email and my company's name, guys, is simple as that. You don't want a bunch of small text. Nobody's going to open up junk mail and going to read slowly through all that garbage. You want it in their face. Get to the point. If they like it, great. If they don't, they'll trash it. But here's the thing is, a typical conversion rate on a mail-your send-out list, I'm going to break it to you guys, is between 0.4% and 1%. And that is being realistic. If you are super optimistic, I've seen conversion rates as high as 5%. Let me know in the comments below, what is your conversion rate, or what do you think yours might be in your area? So the cost on the stamps, like I said, are $55 a roll. The cost on the envelopes are approximately $21. The cost of 500 business cards, custom business cards, mailed to you is about $38. And the cost of ink, depending on your printer, is about $20. The cost of paper is about $5. That's being generous. Also, the cost of Microsoft Excel, which you have to have in order to input the leads, are going to cost you $100 per year. You might be able to shop it online, find a better rate, but $100 a year is what it costs to go to Microsoft Excel and purchase that license to use. So you might be asking, I can do this no problem. Where do I get these leads? Where do I go? That kind of thing. Check this out, guys. In the description below, I am spoon feeding you guys today, is the link to listsource.com. So you can click on that. There's no affiliate link. Any affiliate link I have, guys, will only save you money. It will not cost you another dollar, okay? So don't be afraid to use it. And listsource.com is going to give you this kind of information. Foreclosures, tax lien, high equity, non-owner occupied. It's going to literally give you all this stuff or any particular one that you want. Also, this is very important. If you haven't been there before or pulled your own list, see the top comment below. I pinned it on the very top. It's the link to the video on how to get these leads pulled in the first place. Be sure to click on that, pull your leads, do this stuff over here, get everything you need, and start putting out offers. This works phenomenal if you're a wholesaler, you're a flipper, or you're a buy and hold guy such as myself. And this is a quick, simple video on how to send out mailers to prospective off-market clients so you can put more money into your pocket. Guys, if you're not a subscriber, you like this content, consider subscribing. I make up to 3 videos on real estate, investing, or financial independence per week. If you like this content, smash that like button, send it to somebody who you think could use this information, and above all, have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.